Hi, this is Lane with Horsefly History Tours, and I'm here at the Durango and Silverton Narrow Gauge Depot. Originally, it was the Denver and Rio Grande Railroad, and you can see here a historic picture of it. Not all opened on this. It is a very windy day today. So really, this is the birthplace of Durango. This is where it all began. Durango was staked in 1880, and this depot opened in 1881. What's so remarkable about it is that it is the original wood-framed depot. We are so lucky to have this treasure here. You can find out more things like this on one of our history tours. Our calendar is live. I'm so excited about that. We have 2 tours right now, the quick and dirty, and we also have the Hauntings in History ghost tour, and you will learn a lot of ghost stories from the buildings here downtown. It's a very haunted town, but regardless of the ghost, we have some wonderful macabre history, and I hope you'll join us on a walk back in time.